In this video, you understand how do we learn integration of ln x dx and integration of ln x whole square dx. How do we integrate them? See here. I assume it to be into 1. Okay. Now, to integrate this one, I will make use of integration by parts formula. Clear? To integrate this one, I will make use of integration by parts formula, and integration by parts formula is integration of u dv by dx is equal to uv minus integration of, here it is u, here you will get du by dx, and here dv by dx, here you will get v dx. Okay, now I equate these two. When I equate these two, one of it should be taken for u and another one should be taken for dv by dx. It's obvious you take u to be ln x, okay, and dv by dx to be 1. After that, take d by dx on both sides. So here no change, du by dx is equal to differentiation of ln x is 1 by x. Here send dx to the other side. Now you integrate on both sides such that this cancel out, v equal to here also, so x. Clear? So now integration of this is equal to this one. So let us replace all these values in this one. So this will become, now I will write, clear? Okay. So here it is u into v. U is ln x, v is x, minus integration of v x du by dx 1 by x dx. So now this cancel out. So here it is x ln x minus integration of 1 dx. This also cancel out, leaving us x. I don't have limit, so plus c. Thus, this is the answer for integration of ln x dx. Is it clear? Now see here. Here also I do the same thing. I assume it to be into 1. After that, I will use integration by parts formula to integrate this one. Clear? So it is again the same thing, u dv by dx. Dx is equal to uv minus integration of, here it is u, here it is du by dx. Here dv by dx, here it is v dx. Again I equate these two and I take u to be ln x whole square and dv by dx to be 1. Clear? Same like this. Now take d by dx on both sides is equal to d by dx of ln x whole square. So here no change. What change do you get here? Initially this I take it to be x, now it is of the form x power 2, which is 2x into derivative of x. So d by dx of ln x is 1 by x. Clear? Chain rule. In place of x, whatever you have, that you should derivate. Clear? Many forget this, you should not forget. Now, so this is nothing but 2 ln x by x. Now send dx to the other side. Now integrate on both sides. This cancel out v. 1 will not play any part, cancel out x. Clear? So now integration of this is equal to this one. So replace all the values in this. So now this will change to u into v. So u is ln x whole square into v is x minus integration of v x du by dx is 2 ln x by x dx. Okay, now ln x whole square, x I write before, minus, now you say this x and this x cancel out, this 2 will not play any part outside, integration of ln x dx. Okay, now, so it is x ln x whole square minus 2. Integration of ln x dx is how much? We already found it here. It is x ln x minus 1. I replace it there. So x ln x minus x. So now multiply by 2. So x ln x whole square minus 2x ln x plus 2x. Since we don't have limits, add c. Thus, this is the answer for integration of ln x whole square. Okay. Now, how do I integrate ln x whole cube dx? Same way. I take it here into 1 and again integration by parts formula, that is integration of u dv by dx is equal to uv minus integration of, here it is u, here it is du by dx, here dv by dx, here it is v dx. Okay. Now, I equate these two and obvious u is ln x whole cube and the other one dv by dx is equal to 1. Clear till here? Next, take d by dx on both sides. D by dx of ln x power 3. So here no change and here it is, I consider it to be x. So now it is of the form x cube, that is 3x square, and also derivative of, in place of x whatever you have assumed or else chain rule, into d by dx of ln x, you should not forget, which will be 1 by x. Okay. Next, here send dx to the other side. Now integrate on both sides. This cancel out. Here 1 will not play any part, cancel out, v is x. Okay. So now answer to this one is nothing but this side. So replace all of these in this. So this will now change to u into v. So u is ln x whole cube, v is x minus integration of v is x, du by dx is this 3 ln x whole square times 1 by x dx. Okay. Now you see, this is x ln x whole cube minus, here this x and this x cancel out. This 3 will not play any part outside. 1, whether I write or I don't write, not going to make any change, so I am not writing. So left with 3 ln x whole square dx. Okay. Now, how much is integration of ln x whole square? That I take from here. Okay. So it is x ln x whole cube minus 3 times of x ln x whole square minus 2x ln x plus 2x. Finally add c. So this is the answer for integration of ln x whole cube. Clear? For answer for integration of ln x answer for integration of ln x whole square, and that is for integration of ln x whole cube. If you see all the three at once, it should be remembered in your mind.